At the Actuate Summit 2024, we're bringing together a global community of innovators, creators, and leaders. This 4-day event is designed for profound networking, helping us actuate the creator within. With the Actuate token as our guide, we'll embark on a journey to transform health and human development using the latest advances in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and decentralized finance. Welcome to the Actuate Summit 2024. This is a 4-day event of intense innovation, collaboration, and discovery. From December 3rd to 6th, the world's brightest minds in artificial intelligence, blockchain, DeFi, and healthcare will come together in Nairobi, Kenya to participate in 15 distinct facilitated dialogue World Cafe sessions, designed to evoke the journey to create the future we truly want in health and human development. The theme of the summit, using blockchain, decentralized finance, and artificial intelligence for advancements in health and human development, will guide over 900 professionals, leading researchers, and global thought leaders through profound dialogue on the latest breakthroughs in biomedical science and beyond. With over 100 distinguished speakers from across the globe, this summit is a key platform for knowledge sharing. At the core of this transformative event is the Actuate token. Indeed, Actuate token is the primary substrate for profound networking and creative collaboration. Through every workshop, all participants will embark on a 4-step creating journey of an open-space large group dialogue process. Each step will take place on a different day. This open-space large group creative process will unfold as follows. On day 1, participants will share with one another the vision of the future we truly want, following a keynote speech. This collaborative sharing allows the emergence of the shared vision of the future. Day 2 will focus on examining the current reality. This day of catharsis will help pin down the challenges and pain points holding us back. It is the day of detoxifying from the toxic state of consciousness that prevents us from gaining the future we truly want. Now on day 3, after the second day of cleansing, participants dive deep into the process of building the roadmap to the future we truly want, with Actuate token as a primary substrate that will bind that future together. Day 4, all workshops come together in a grand summit to present the joint roadmap for the future we all want for global health and human development. The 4th day is the grand event where relationships and collaborations formed in the workshops will be cemented to chart the path forward. Each workshop will focus on one question: how can we actuate the creator within to build a future where health and human development are at the forefront? At the heart of this creative process is one common goal: achieving universal health for all. By using artificial intelligence, blockchain, and decentralized finance, we'll be breaking new ground in transforming healthcare globally. This summit isn't just about discussions, it's about action. Action fueled by new partnerships, meaningful connections, and innovative ideas that will shape the future of health and human development. The Actuate Summit 2024 is where innovation meets purpose. It's where our vision for the future becomes a reality. Join us from December 3rd to 6th at Kenyatta University in Nairobi as we actuate the creators within and build the future we all want. The future is in our hands. Let's create it together.